Welcome friends. Today we will see one hard disk. This hard disk come. It is no power when we connect to MRT or any device. It not spinning, no power. So we already explained you about how to check this hard disk. So first we will check the connector, offline connector. We put in the buzzer mode. Put red probe here, and we will see the continuity. I have explained the 15 pin connections. The first pin here is our 12 watt. You can see the 12 watt, then 3 ground is buzzer, no problem. Then there is a 5 watt, but 5 watt there is no value shown. You can see 5 watt no value shown. Then ground, 3 pin ground, and then 3.3 value will come and go. Means here is a 5 watt is not connecting, it's not showing the value, and here 12 watt is also not showing the value. You can check here both the value. And we have another working hard disk. We will check on another working hard disk. This is working. Here when we check, it shows 12 watt as a diode value about 200. See, this is also 199. This is ground, not connected, ground. Okay. Then 5 watt is also showing some values, 333. But here it is showing this is good PCB and this is customer PCB which is dead. So we will open the PCB and see inside what is the problem. This has a problem in the protection circuit, or TVS diode may be burned, or something problems will be there. So we will open this PCB, we repair it, then we can connect to the MRT or port. You can see the burning components or something, or maybe some capacitor or fuse may be damaged. So we will see open and we will see the connector. When we open here, you can see there is a connectivities values are there. Here is a TVS diode and one small components are here. I will zoom and I will show you the component how we are tracing. First of all, I have already explained you. We will see the diode value is there or not. First we put, this is your connections. You can see the connectivity. The first thing, it is gone from here and it come to here, and here is the one small component that to be shown the buzzer value, but here is no buzzer. You can see no buzzer. Here is your 5 watt, one 12 watt, one 5 watt here. 5 watt also you can see 5 watt is here, and 5 watt also connectivity is not there. This may be damaged. See, both the continuity is there. Both the continuity is coming. Before that no continuity. Now you will see the diode value, it is coming or not. We will connect here red probe on the ground, and we will see here is a 12 watt. You can see now 123 coming, and 5 watt value is coming. Now my PCB is okay. It is on okay condition. My PCB has been now okay condition. So this is a process. Okay. Now we will put the PCB and check the hard disk, it is running or not. Okay. Now we will start the MRT. We connect a probe on third probe. We connect on the third probe. We give the power on the third probe. We connect hard disk on the third probe. We just connect the hard disk on the third probe. We select OK. We select 3 and power on. You can see now it's power on. Hard disk is spinning, smoothly spinning, and DRD DSC come. Now if I go here, it is auto select. The family has been selected and everything is okay. Now we will see the data is there or not. So we will open the data explorer, or you can connect directly to SATA port also, no problem. We connect in data explorer. If you don't have MRT, no problem. You can see it is now the folder has been open. Whatever the data is there, it will be open. So this is the process of PCB related problem. We can connect same computer, same hard disk on my PATA port also, then it will be detection. My one case has been solved with the removing of the coil or PCB related. This is a case for D2 PCB repairing concept. Okay, thank you.